everyone, today our team 17, will solve a farming problem with optimization technique. First thing first, we will define the problem. There is a farmer. This farmer has a 10,000 meters square of crop field. He wants to plant rice and corn inside of that field. For every kilogram of rice, he will need 620 meters squared of field, and for every kilograms of corn, he will need 320 meters squared of field. The maximum amount of seeds that can be planted in that crop field is 20 kilograms. So, for every rice seeds, they will produce 60.5 kilograms of rice, and for every corn seed, they will produce 26 kilograms of corn. The farmer can sell the rice with 14,000 rupiah per kilogram, and he can sell the corn with 3,200 rupiah per kilogram. Now the farmer needs to fertilize his crop too. He will use two brands of fertilizer, Ponska brand and Pelangi brand. Each brand contains nitrogen, phosphate, and potassium inside of the fertilizer. Here is the percentage of nitrogen, phosphate, and potassium contained inside the fertilizer. Now we will talk about the price. The Ponska brand have the price of 2,000 rupiah, and the Pelangi brand costs 2,300 rupiah. The farmer need at least 14 kilograms of nitrogen, 8 kilograms of phosphate, and 4 kilograms of potassium for his field. This is the minimum amount of nitrogen, phosphate, and potassium he need. Okay, now we will talk about the problem solving. There will be three steps. The first step is to find the decision variable. Now we have four variables here: A, B, X, and Y. A is the amount of crop paddy seeds to be planted. By this I mean rice. And B is the amount of crop corn seed to be planted in kilograms. Now we have X. X is the amount of sack of Ponska fertilizer to be purchased. And then Y, the amount of sack of Pelangi fertilizer to be purchased. Next step is to define the objective function. Our objective is to find the maximum profit of this problem by controlling the amount of paddy and corn, also the amount of fertilizer that need to be used. So, since this is maximization problem, we will define the function as maximum z. Here is the formula. This formula has three parts. The first part, this defines the selling price of each plant, paddy, rice, and corn. The second part, it defines the price of the seeds used. And lastly, it defines the price of fertilizer to be used. The last step is to define the constraints. We have several constraints here. First, land area. Basically, the area of the field is 10,000 meters squared. So, the farmer can only use less or equals than that. For each rice plants, they need 620 meters squares of land, and for each corn plants, they need 320 meters squared of land. Next is the seed constraints. The maximum kilograms of seeds that can be planted is 20 kilograms. This includes paddy and corn seeds. And next, we will define the amount of fertilizer used. The minimum amount of nitrogen that the farmer needs is 14 kilograms. So, at least he needs 14 kilograms, but he can use more. And next, he needs X kilograms of phosphate. And lastly, he needs 4 kilograms of potassium. Now, the last constraint is non-negativity constraint, because we can have negative amount of things, right? So, A, B, X and Y more or equals than 0. We will solve this problem with Lingo. First thing first, you need to write the objective function. The objective function is maximization problem. So we define this like this. And next you need to write the constraint, all of it. Here we can see the amount of land use, the maximum amount of seed that can be planted, how many kilograms we need nitrogen, phosphate and potassium, and the non-negativity constraint here. Next is the result. So there will be this result. We will have this result. Okay. The objective value is 354,400 rupiah. Since we want to find the maximum profit, so the objective value is in rupiah. And then we also have variable A, B, X and Y. A and B is the amount of seed, which A is the amount of rice seed and the B is the amount of corn seed. So we have 12 kilograms of rice seed and 8 kilograms of corn seed. And then there is X and Y. X is the amount of Ponska brand we use, and Y is the amount of Pelangi brand. So the farmer needs 8 kilograms, XX of Ponska and 65 sacks of Pelangi brand. Here's the iteration. So from that result, we can conclude that the farmer needs 12 kilograms of paddy seeds and 8 kilograms of corn seeds. And then this way we can have the maximum amount of profit. And the fertilizer that needed is 8 kilogram. That by mean exact size. Every 1 kilogram is 1 sack, and 64 sacks of pelangi. Now lastly, from calculating that amount, here we can have 354,400 rupiah of profit. Our way to solving the farming problem. We want to say sorry if there were some mistakes in our presentation, and thank you.